Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see a very healthy breakfast recipe which is muesli and yogurt parfait. This parfait recipe is filled with yogurt, layered with different yummy fruits and muesli, and therefore packed with high fiber, protein and many nutrients. So friends, let's begin with this healthy recipe. So for my muesli parfait, I am using this soulful millet muesli which has got the goodness of ragi, whole wheat, oats, honey and also almonds and raisins. And now I will take a bowl and add some of it required for the parfait recipe. Next I will slice some yummy fruits, and here are some black grapes which I will slice it into half. Next I will slice some strawberries which are my favorite. You can of course include any other seasonal fruits of your choice. Then I will add one banana which I just love to enjoy in my parfait recipe, besides some yummy berries and nuts. Alright, slicing of the fruits is done. Well, I thought of slicing the banana slices into further half, and there they go. Next, take a bowl and into it I'll be adding some Greek yogurt. Into it I will drizzle a teaspoon of honey to add sweetness. Mix this well. And the Greek yogurt for our parfait recipe is also ready. And now time to layer our parfait in glasses. First, generously add a layer of the Greek yogurt. Next, add 1 tablespoon of the millet muesli. Then goes some sliced bananas. Black grape slices. Strawberry slices. And now again repeat the process of adding the Greek yogurt, followed by the muesli, and then the fruits again. And adding different fruits generously makes this muesli parfait even more delicious. And finally, I will add some dried blueberries on top. You can add fresh ones also. And here goes our healthy and yummy parfait recipe. So friends, do try this tasty as well as healthy muesli parfait and include this in your weight loss diet as a healthy breakfast or snack recipe. Also, do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more healthy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.